Welcome back for another Solana price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets here on the Solana chart, give you areas that we need to continue holding, and also discuss my long trade setup here on the Solana chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Solana is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.2688 mark. And the moment we see a break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to the upper side. Solana has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, managing to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted here on the charts using this yellow target area, where you can see that we have fully maximized our yellow target area, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for that wave 4, and soon we are going to see a reaction of the target area and continue gearing up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 5. And before I give you my wave 5 target areas, I want to first discuss my trade setup here on the Solana chart, where you can see that we have now seen a break above this descending trend line that I had here on the chart, and a break above that we have now seen a close, that is a 4-hour close above our ascending trend line, and there are high chances that this is going to get even more volatile in the next coming hours. Continue gearing up, see a break above resistance, and continue unlocking higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. And as a result of that, I now have a long trade open that is just slightly above this descending trend line that we have here on the chart, having my stop losses below the lows that we made at around the $22.72 mark, and I have my target areas that is at around the $30 mark. That is my first target areas, and others at around the $32 mark. And that is my trade setup that I have here on the Solana chart, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 5. And before I give you the target areas, I can first give you a recap of what has been happening since the 10th of June, when we saw this massive breakdown giving us a low at around the $12.96 mark. And from that point, we started gearing up impulsively, where we have now put in place the high for that wave 1, seen a wave 2, then a wave 3, a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, and I'm expecting one more new high in the formation of this wave 5 to complete an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, and giving you target areas for that wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $35.41 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Solana to do in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short-term scenarios here on the Solana chart. On the long-term point of view, since the December lows we picked in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1, saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, where you can see that we have seen a very nice reaction of the target area, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing is the start of an impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And that is what I'm expecting on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 60 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.